Good afternoon, everyone. It is Matthew at MSL Trade on Twitter. You can follow me there, MSL Trade. Um, Today is Monday, August 31st, 2015. The SPY down 0.84%. The Qs down a little bit more. And finally, the diamonds not good as well. Let's get right to what was under accumulation off the opening range breakout. Um, Again, we're on the 1 minute. I can pull up the 5 minute at the end and review these stocks quickly if you'd like to see them. We had UAL break out of its opening range. Again, we give it 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half hour. Let it set up on high volume. The buy is almost always into the exponential moving average, 8 periods, this turquoise line. But unfortunately, UAL and AAL did not give us what we wanted. AAL a little bit more than UAL, a percent to the upside. You could have sold it depending on your position size, but closed down. BCRX, similar price action. We give 15 minutes at 9:47. It broke above its opening range. We like the pullback there. Kind of flopped around all day until about 2 o'clock and then sold off. JC Penney, positive price action today. MYGN, these get a little bit better, I promise you. Up to the upside, 2%, a good trade off the opening range breakout. ANF, I believe this got an upgrade today. They reported a couple days ago positive numbers and the market liked it. So positive price action off the opening range today at 9:57-ish to the upside. Twitter uh, broke above its opening range at 12:30. Took a while to do it. The stock didn't exactly sell off, right? So it moved into positive territory, up 3.5% today. Flopped around and then kind of closed where it opened. CLF, this had bullish price action on Friday. I've been looking at it. Um, Again today, it opened down. The high here was $3.80, and then it broke above that at 10 o'clock, pulled back, and we had extreme momentum to the upside, 6-7%. HK, an oil and gas, $1.11 from support. Regardless, very positive price action on high volume that occurred at 11:27. Pull back into the exponential 8 moving average, positive price action for 3-4 percentage points to the upside after that. And we like trades that give us money. We like to know we're right almost immediately. BTU, Soros laid into BTU and ACI last week, or the week before that, and these stocks have been the gifts that keep on giving. ACI, I do not believe that printed above its opening range. We have marked it. It did not. But hopefully you were in this one from the previous week, and you've been doing very well if you have been. Please excuse. AST, a very illiquid stock regardless, had an opening range breakout on high volume at 11:11. Pulled back and 3-4% to the upside, sold off with the rest of the market towards the end of the day. RJET, again, positive price action, but went up. If you zoom into this bar, had extreme buying pressure, then closed down below where that 1 minute candle opened up, and then on high volume. That's a very bearish sign if a lot of you short that could have been a short, but if we buy into this exponential 8 moving average, um, gave us some good percentage points almost immediately, and hey, that's what we like. But the shorts took it over based on that sign um, earlier in the day, and uh, the shorts proved correct. Heart, another bearish candle. It punches through the opening range breakout and sells off the rest of the day. But some money manager, some institution somewhere is running that up, and I'm willing, to bet that we'll see positive price action in Heart over the coming days. This was an initiation of the move. It was up 32% today, but printed above where it opened, the opening range. If you like trades similar to this, you can follow me at MSL Trade on Twitter or shoot me an email. That's msl1trade at gmail.com. I promised that we were going to look at the 5 minutes, so let's do that. Expand this out a little bit more. Please excuse. So we're looking over to here. Here's Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. So anyway, UAL kind of moving with the market, um, but printed above its opening range. Something it did. Similar price action on Friday. I didn't have this, but it did, and then opened to the upside. 1.5%, 1.75%. I'll flip through these real quick. Um, Heart, RJET, Republic Airways. Before I started doing these videos, I had a opening range breakout here at my arrow. That was a big move, 17%. AST, BTU, again, the gift that keeps on giving. And if we want to look at its sister stock, ACI, you know, this has had positive moves all the way, um, you know, since it's been setting up. So that's just, why, the opening range breakout is so important. I can't tell you what is going to be up tomorrow, but I can tell you 15 minutes in the trade, half hour. These are beginning of moves. You can hang on to them intraday, or I'll do a 5-day review. 5 days from now, we'll look at the past 5 trading days and see, the direction of these moves. And the majority of the time, 80%, 70, 80% of the time, it's to the upside. HK, big move today, big move on Friday as well. CLF 5 minute Twitter. ANF. I had said that this was, it was gapping up and it wasn't printing above its opening range. This was its earnings, kept selling down, never did it again, and finally did it today, printed above its opening range. MYGN, JC Penney, VCRX, and the airlines. A pretty big consolidation that printed above its above its opening range. We see here it really didn't. It really didn't here. It really didn't here. Finally today. So hopefully UAL and AAL will resume its uptrend. Again, I'm Matthew, MSL Trade on Twitter. You can follow me there. I do videos every day. If you'd like to receive the trades in real time, shoot me an email. Tell me what you think. But follow me on Twitter and look out for my videos. Good luck to you.